Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add Spotify music to your Canva presentation, the full 2025 guide. If you want your presentation to sound as good as it looks, this tutorial is going to be a game changer. Let's dive right in and turn your slides into something truly unforgettable. First, open Spotify. You can use either the desktop app or your web browser, whichever you prefer. Now, browse through your playlist or explore new music until you find the perfect track that matches the mood of your presentation. It could be something upbeat to energize your audience, or maybe a chill, relaxing tune to set a calm tone. Once you've found your song, click on the three dots next to the track title. Hover over Share, then click Copy Song Link. That's it. You've got your Spotify link ready to go. Next, open Canva and load your presentation. Choose a slide where you want the music to appear, maybe the intro slide or a transition section. Now, here's the fun part. In Canva, look for the option to embed content. Depending on your version, this might appear in the top toolbar or under the insert menu. Click on embed, then paste your Spotify link into the box using Ctrl+V or Command+V if you're on a Mac. Once your link is pasted, hit Add to Design. And just like that, your Spotify track is now embedded into your Canva presentation. It'll appear as a small player that you or your viewers can interact with when presenting. Before you finalize everything, make sure to test it. Play your presentation, click on the Spotify player, and confirm that the track opens correctly. And a quick reminder, always follow copyright rules if you're sharing or publishing your presentation publicly. You can use royalty-free tracks or get the proper permissions for commercial use. Adding music isn't just a cool effect. It can completely transform how your audience feels and remembers your message. Sound creates emotion, and emotion creates connection. That's the secret sauce behind powerful presentations. And there you have it. That's how you add Spotify music to your Canva presentation in just a few simple steps. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below letting me know what kind of music you're adding to your next Canva project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.